Today we will see session number 12 in Catia. Introduction to sheet metal design. Sheet metal design in Catia is a specific module that allows designers and engineers to create and manipulate sheet metal parts. The module includes tools and features specifically tailored for design components made from sheet metals, which is a versatile and widely used materials in manufacturing. Key features of CATIA sheet metals designs. Sheet metal parameters, designs features, bend table, unfolding and flattening, assembly integrations, drafting and documentations. You can see start one mechanical design and go in a generative sheet metal design. This is a creating walls. This is a creating walls and sheet metal parameters. This task shows you how to configure the sheet metals generative sheet metals parameters. Click sheet metal parameters. The sheet metal parameters dialog box is displayed. You can see you can give the thickness and default bend radius and click on OK. Enter 1 mm in the thickness field and default as a 5 mm. Wall. For wall, this task shows you how to create the first wall of the generative sheet metals part. Click sketches, then select the XY plane. In the specification tree, select a profile. Select the profile as shown in the below. Click exist workbench to return to the 3D world. Click wall. You can see this one is generated. In a specification tree, you can see wall 1. Let's see wall on edge. This task shows you how to do add others walls to the sheet metal parts. You can see this one is a wall on edge. Select the left edge, this one. After that, enter 50 mm means height of it and preview. You can see inward also, downward and upward. Click OK. Extrusion is there. This task shows you how to create a wall by extrusions. You can extrude sketches composed of lines, circles, projections of lines, and the projection of circles. Flanges are there. Flange. This task explains how to generate a flange from a spine and a profile. We will see in a CATIA also. Rolled walls are there. Hopper is there. This task shows you how to create a surfacic and a canonic hopper between two sketched profiles with an opening lines. Rolled walls are there. This task shows you how to create a rolled walls. This is a bending. You can see bending is there and creating bendings from walls. These tasks explain two ways to create a bends between two walls in the sheet metals part. You can see this one is the bending, creating conical bend. You can see this one is a conical bend and creating bends from a flat. You can see this one is a bend from flat. This is the result and folded and unfolded. You can see this is a unfolded and this is a folded. Okay, let's see in the Katia. Go in a start one, start mechanical design and go in a generative sheet metal design. This is a space of your sheet metal design. You can see.